I am blown away by how this appears to have turned out. Over the past 2.5 weeks, it's lost about 25% of its weight, which honestly is on the lower end of what it needs to lose to still be edible, so we'll see how this goes. It is now very firm to the touch, but most interesting to me is it looks like it's actually developed some white mold, which should actually be a sign that this worked well. And I am blown away by how this appears to have turned out. Cutting extremely thin like we would any other cured meat, and before we give it a taste, let's check on that control. It only took 2.5 hours to reach its target temp, but the bark looks good, and slicing into it, the smoke ring is basically as thick as the entire brisket. Take some more slices of the flat, and just like a regular beef brisket, we'll twist the point, slicing it against the grain. It's just wild how the anatomy is the exact same, but like a fraction of the size. I'm not gonna lie, it actually looks kind of juicy. So if you lamb brisket prosciutto. Guys, this is fantastic.
It is a tad bit salty, but honestly, the texture is really great. It reminds me exactly of like a pepperoni or prosciutto, and that fat to meat ratio is great.
When I first saw all that fat, I thought it'd be way too gamey, but it just melts in your mouth.